Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bunmi and today I'm bringing you guys a haul poly haul, and I feel like this is the perfect outfit to wear post quarantine. And the only reason why I'm titling this video this way is because I actually got this item way before the quarantine started. I've already had the idea in my head, but unfortunately things took a turn for the worst for the whole wide world. So I thought there's nowhere we can wear this dress to. I can personally wear this dress to. Everything is on lockdown and there's no flights going in and out of the country. Well, there is, but we're not going to talk about that, are we? But yeah, I just figured that this little numbers I'm about to show you will be the perfect numbers for when it's post quarantine and we're out of isolation. And yeah, let's just get started. Let's get started. So it comes in this big box, and honestly, like, it's so like cute and portable. I was expecting it to be packaged in the way most fast fashion, I wouldn't call it fast fashion specifically, actually, or poly, they've upgraded now, but with this type of like online retail people, I figured that was gonna come in packaged as the way you receive them from like Pretty Little Thing or Misguided or like Boohoo. But I like the way it's packaged. It's like nice and square and in a box, and I can tell that it's already been neatly arranged, so I don't have anything to worry about that. And also it comes in my favorite color, which is pink. So I actually received this package not long ago and I've been dying to open it, but I figured I would just do the unboxing right in front of you as well. Just do the unboxing right in front of you as well. I feel like I'm acting like a girl that's never had a package from Opoly before. Postage not prepaid. That's not nice. Why is it not prepaid? Everything I got on there are all size 4 because I'm that tiny. I tell you that for free now. I'm so tiny. Like I'm so petite. And the first thing that is on top of this package is this dress. It's literally in color purple. I know I said my favorite colors are white and pink, but I feel like I need to start venturing out, like trying different colors, maybe give green a bit of go as well. But this time around it's purple I picked up. It's in rouge and it's the all like, you know, freakum dress on. I wouldn't say it's clubby. It's something you'll wear out to a dinner, somewhere like novel scarf. One thing I'm surprised about Opoly is the little tag thing that they always have on the dress. It didn't come with that this time around, which is strange. I'm not really mad at this. It's quite short though, but on me I'm sure it's gonna look really long. The material is so good as well. It's actually quite heavy. Like, it's not heavy to the point that it feels designery, but it's quite good material and it's thick, and you know it's gonna last a while, and you know it's gonna stanch you in the right places. Okay, so as you can see, you can tell that I've gotten a bit thicker. It was such a struggle getting myself into this size 4 dress. It was such a struggle, which is like a good indication for me that I've put on weight. I like the look of it actually. It's nice, it's cute. Oops, maybe it's not shifting properly. It's a bit too tight for me, I feel, but a size 6 would be too loose for me, so I think it's meant to look this way. It's quite stretchy as well. I can stretch my feet out. Yeah, I can stretch my feet out, and it's a nice cute bodycon number that, you know, it shows off the cleavage in a tasteful way. And also it just complements the body, and I'm sure it makes my ass look bigger than it does. If the sleeve is a bit too long, I just think this dress in general is too tight for me. And oh, sorry guys, excuse this mess in the background. I'm just using my study room at the minute to film this video because my room is under construction still. I like how it complements my body shape. I think with this dress I'm gonna have to go up a size. Yeah, definitely going up a size with this one. Definitely going up a size. Oh, I can't breathe. I literally cannot breathe in this. it's gonna cut off my blood circulation in my arms and and on in my body in general. But I'm not mad at it. This little number is really nice and gorgeous. The next one I got is a two-piece. This one I picked it out in the blue shade, and I don't know, honestly, like two-piece are such the new trend for me now. And this little number is also like the first one, a bit rouge, but instead you can easily adjust this. I'm sure like when you adjust it, you can easily show like on the boobs, or if you want to show like your cleavage, you can easily show it. This sort of style is just like really nice and sexy. I just really love how it brings out the curves, and you can't go wrong wearing a two-piece like this. It looks like it's gonna be like a bralette on me by the way, but I don't mind, you know. Summer is around the corner. It's time to go out to Mayfair. It's time to go out with my girls and just have a good time. It comes with this skirt and it's cute. It looks really nice. Maybe 4 might be too small for me. It looks like it's meant to fit like a Barbie doll. It looks kind of too tiny. Maybe I should have gone for 6 instead of 4. It will be interesting to see how I fit into this. And yeah, it'll be so interesting to see. Here is the two-piece. I'll be lying if I told you I didn't struggle to get into this two-piece at all, especially with the skirt. It was such a struggle getting it up my thigh. It literally gives me the illusion of having curves, and it gives me the illusion of having like a cleavage, and as well as having like a bum on the side. Mom, what do you think? Do you like it? It's good. Yeah, it's good. So she thinks it's good. She likes this. I feel like with this outfit though, if I should wear it out, I have to suck in my belly, go that all day without eating until I get to dinner, because let's me not complain, as I put on weight, my belly is also putting on weight, and I feel like this is the genetics that most Nigerian girls have, well, that I have, and I've seen other Nigerian girls have as well. So I can't complain about it. I've put on weight, so has my belly, but because of lockdown, I can't go back to the gym. So until gym reopens, I have no choice than to just suck in my belly and just put on a good smile. But I really love this two-piece though. I really like it. It's like nice baby blue. I don't think I have much blue. I don't think I have much baby blues or blues in this shade. And yeah, I can't complain. I love how adjustable this is. So you can literally just untie it this way. So you can pull it down if you want, or you can push it up this way if you want, and that gives it like a V mermaid vibes to it. And the same can go for the top as well. Well, if you're gonna wear pants underneath, wear like a seamless one, so that way it doesn't show up. Wish I had ventured out a bit more with the pieces that I'm wearing. I feel like I'm buying the same outfits but in different colors and different styles. But that said, this little number is like nice and nude, and I feel like it was well made. This is not something you get from AliExpress, because honestly it's quite heavy material. Yes, quite massive material. It's something that you expect from House of CB. I'm not even gonna lie. Did they get this dress from the same wholesaler as House of CB? Like, it's so well made. I feel like it's really nice and heavy, and you can't go wrong at this. Look at her. And it's quite long as well. I'm into long dresses now because I'm a Christian and I can't be always caught looking like a hoe. Like, so for now, these sort of outfits will do for me. And long dresses are in now at the minute, so I'm not even mad at that. I'm not upset at this look, and I really love this vibe of it. I can barely walk in it. I have to like literally walking it this way. I think I got my sizing wrong. The last time I ordered from Opoly, most of the size 4 was well fitted on me. I really love how this dress looks. It gives me like Kim K vibes, but you know, skinnier version of it, and literally gives me like, also gives me the illusion of like curves as well. It's the same thing that I'm showing you guys over and over again, but in different styles. Except this one is just a lot more longer and it's nude. You can't go wrong with a good nude, can't you? A nude is like a little black dress or white dress. It was quite hard to get a zip top at the back, so I think I'll just have to send it up, or perhaps, you know, yeah, just send it up and get a size 6 instead of this size 4, and then I think I'll be a happy bunny. Really, I really love this. This is like a nice cute dress that you can wear for dinner with the girls, or for your birthday outfit, or for that just one night that you finally break free of quarantine and you just want to go on a big one. So this is what I would suggest you can wear for it as well, and you're good to go. Like literally, it's so nice, and yeah, I can't complain about it. Okay, so going again with the same theme of the rouge theme going on. I wish I had picked out different pieces, but honestly there's not much on Poly, and I feel like the same things and the same styles is what they're stocking in at the minute, so it's a bit difficult venturing out. But I really love this outfit, this top. One mistake I did actually that I realized after I've ordered it was that I was gonna get this top and have the bottoms with it, but then I accidentally forgot to add the bottoms into the order, and instead I added another top into the order instead of the bottom of this, because it the bottom is like a bicycle short, and I felt like, although I was quite against it last year when it was like a big massive trend, I'm kind of feeling it now. It don't make sense. It doesn't scream something that I would wear personally, but I did promise myself that this year, like, I'm gonna venture out when it comes to my style and try different things, different looks, different colors, and just see what goes well instead of just my safe zone that I'm used to. So I guess this is like a first go around, except I forgot to order the shorts instead. To me it's so crazy how I said everything else I love, but these two pieces are something I'm gonna return back, but instead I ended up falling in love with this top. Like, it's just a nice cute little number, and I feel like I wish I had the other pair for the set of this. I think it would have been so banging. So this one actually fit me like a glove. It's not too tight on me, and I can breathe in it, and I don't have to do too much, but it still gives me that nice cleavage that every girl wants. And this is actually perfect for small bisted ladies that are size C and B's and D's, not too full of a D. I think this tops is perfect for you. I feel like, yeah, it's just great number. This is a size 4 as well, but this is a size 4 as well, but you know, it's nice and cute. I think I'll just keep this one, then probably like return a dress or two because they were too tight on me, especially the nude one. But this one is a keep for me. But I think this is cute. I really like it. It's nice and cute, isn't it, guys? Again, it's the same style, but in the same, like, what color was that? Yeah, it's in the same color, creamish white. This is me going back to my comfort zone. And yeah, this was the top I ordered instead of the shorts for this, but we move. So this piece, ooh, I like this with the two pieces. It's gonna be banging, honey. I'm ready to paint the town cream. Yeah, cream. I'm ready to paint the town cream, girl. Look out. Oh my god, honestly, I can't believe it. I feel free in this one. I think I'm a lot freer in the two-piece than I am with the dresses, except for the blue one. Oh my god. So yeah, this is really cute. I really like this. Coupled with these trousers, I'm not mad at the pairing actually. I wouldn't dare wear this like at all, but this is like a cute little number. I think like it's just perfect little. Ooh, I look a bit ashy. I've creamed, I swear. Kenty, man. This quarantine life is getting to me already, and it's already day 4. So yeah, Honestly, I'm not really mad at this little piece with these little numbers. So I think this one is also a keep. Yes, it's a keep, honey. Cause when I get out of this quarantine, hey Jimo, the way I'll be dining, the way I'll be traveling, oh, it's gonna be sweet. So this one is actually really gonna be nice for it to wear as well. And yeah, can't complain about this little piece. Can't complain about this little number. Absolutely love it. It's great. It's great for my body. I think all these pieces I've showed so far, I think all poly, one thing that they do well is how fitted it feels, and you can tell that they're just not getting this from any wholesaler. They're getting it from the really good ones. I think I'm just gonna order the pairs for these 2 pairs and just call it a day. So this is where I end the video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you in my next one. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, all that jazz, and let me know what piece you like and what you'd like to see in the next one. Thank you. Bye. Mwah.